guys, ultimately I'm here again, Marlon Hamilton here, just talking through some of the trades that I've taken this week and last week, and trades that I've been in. These trades, this was I've been in this trade since the 17th, the 21st, the 22nd, the 28th, the 24th, the 29th, the 30th, the 29th, the 29th, and so on, right? That's since I've taken these trades. Now, you know, there are only two strategies I'm using here, guys. I put my supply and demand zones on the chart. Once those zones are on the chart, guys, then you know, look, this is chum change compared to what the big guys have got in their account, right? Now, I can't, I'm doing my 4 pence. And look at sorry, my 40 pence, and look at that, I'm doing my 30 pence, and look at that. You understand? I look at that one there. This one I did 80 pence on that one. See, I'm down 24 pounds there. You know. So look at this one. 30 pence, 30 pence. That's a sort of, you know. I'd have to do any massive risk on my trade to make a profit. And also, I'm getting better all the time. I'm actually now coaching people, you know, helping people, teaching them all the stuff that I've learned over the years, all the mistakes I've made, right? And all the this, that, and the other that I used to do, trying to pick tops, trying to pick bottoms, without trying to understand the market and have it and just thinking of process over outcome. Now, let's show you some of these trades, the mindset behind some of these trades. Now, if I take, for example, the Euro GBP, okay, right. Now, when I look this thing is in a sideways market type. So for me, just going up, break down, pull back. So it's now moving in a range bound market, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then I saw, right, this pin bar here, got this pin bar here, right, breaks below. Yeah, my stop loss was there, break below, right. Then once it was below, then I moved my profit to break even. What I could actually do is I could, the market is actually closed at the moment. Oh yeah, no, the market is closed. So what I'm going to show you guys, so I'm doing it now. I'm now going to trail my stop. Now the fact that these Bollinger Bands, there's within, within sort of, and the Bollinger Band also helps me to identify how the market is actually moving. Okay. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to be doing now. I'm already gonna move this down a bit further. Okay. And allow the market to come and take me outside up there, take me out going down there. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna look at a few other trades now, right? Okay. A few other trades that I've taken. Now let's look at, say, for example, the GBP drop here, right? Okay, right. Now this market obviously has been an uptrend, breakout, pull. Even though we're getting a low, I still would need to have it would have to come there and then break down and then pull back for me to say it's now reversing and going in a lower trend. But at the moment, guys, this is a shooting off. Now, reason why I placed my stop there, right? Now I've got this, this is where I enter the trade, right? This right here, okay? Where the market, can continue to coil, 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 okay? Then I got this engulfing candle at now, because this before was what we call a supply zone. Okay, now this market breaks above, pull back. Now at this zone, okay, at this zone now becomes my demand zone, breaks down, pull back, break down. It hasn't broken that zone. I've got an engulfing candle. Yeah, and guys, these are just my engulfing candle indicators and pin bar indicators I put on my chart, and I use some specific ones just so therefore I can be consistent when I take these trades. Okay, so I got that. Yeah, the trade is not going. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, okay, let's put on the weekly and see where the market is. Okay, now this will be a pivotal area where the market will probably turn around. However, what we've got to do is, I can't rush and go and take my little, you know, 50 quid off this trade. I've got to allow the market to run. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this even further. Okay? If the market want to collapse and collapse, if the market want to, you know, let the market come and, stop me out. But the likely chances that the market might come back, roll back, and come back to this level. But at least I've got I've got some profit in the bag. Okay? Because this is where the market has stopped. You can see around this sort of level here. Let the market run. And if I come a couple days time and it's here, then I'm going to move this even further. Or I could just leave it at this point, because the market might roll, pull back, come back to this zone, okay, and then roll again. Makes sense? Because if you look at the weekly chart, guys, this thing clearly higher lows, higher highs, yeah, higher highs. Now, this market has somewhere to go. 152. We could just be letting this run and run and run. Okay? Now, so what we've got to do, guys, is just learn to let our profits run. Okay, let's have a look at another one. GBSP Swiss franc. It's another one. Then a nice setup here. Okay, guys. Okay, it's another one. I get my signal here. Series of Pinbar. Market breaks, trick a lot of people. Come back and say, okay, yeah, right. If I get the market break above this line, because this is obviously an uptrend, then I'm in. So I'm gonna do again, same thing, guys. At the end of the day, right? I was only risking what 25 pounds on this trade. I'm risking 25 pounds to make 50 pounds, 2 to 1. Okay, I can allow this trade now to run as far as it can possibly go. But then what I'm doing, I've secured some of the money in this trade. Let's say, I've secured some of the money in this trade. Now the likely chance is that this trade will turn back. At this point, this was where I put that was the initial bit there. But anyway, as I said, look, this is a nice one. Look at this one. Wow, amazing, amazing. And it's just going. A series of inside bars and a number of pin bar and a number of engulfing candle. But guys, once you understand the chart, then it's easy for you to trade. It's easy for you to place these trades. But guys, more than anything else, the ultimate thing I want you to remember is process over outcome. Outcome is key. Process is key. So process over outcome, but the outcome will come. Get the process right. Look at what I'm saying here. Get the process right. God bless. Hope you have learned. You've seen what I'm doing. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Make comments. Let me know, what you're thinking. Let me know if you need support. You know where to find me. learningforfuture1@gmail.com. Have a good day, traders. God bless.